All right, let's draw a simple castle for kids. Ready? Here we go. Let's first start out with a box, a rectangular box, floating in the air. Got that? Nice. Now, not at the edge, but inside of it, we'll draw it straight down. And the same on the other side, straight down. And then let them meet at the bottom. Got it? Good. All right, now we're gonna draw almost like a flat house beside it. Flat this way. Then a straight line off the bottom of that. The same distance, and then close them off. And then up there, like that. And then we're gonna put a round gate like so, with a line in the middle. There we go. Don't forget handles. Awesome. Now let's go ahead and add some windows. We're gonna put a small one here. And somewhere down here, add another one. Okay, you can even add one on this wall. Awesome. Now we're gonna add the top parts on both. Okay, once that's done, we're gonna go ahead and draw almost like a silo, but it's a tower right there. And the other part of it comes all the way over here, but make them about the same height. Then we're gonna close it off with a little bit on each side. Put a point to come to. And then draw your lines to that point. One up and one down. Good. Now another tower. Let's draw another tower. Let's go right off of this one here. Let's let this be a taller tower. Okay. And then right about here, straight as you can. And then same thing, straight across, put a point, come to the point. Good. Draw some shingles on there. Nice. Nice, very nice. Let's put some windows there too. For mine, I'm gonna do a little bit of a square at the bottom, round at the top, and same over here. Square at the bottom, but round at the top. Awesome. For this tower, since it's so tall, I'm gonna put another one. And then one more. Good, now it's like it has 3 floors. Nice. All right, let's go ahead and draw some flags on the top. So you're gonna draw a line straight up on both of them. Then it's almost like a hill. So you go down, up, down. Then you're gonna copy it. Down, up, and then up. Like so. Same thing. Down, up, up. There you go. And then down, up, meet. Very nice. Let's draw some landscaping for it. So we're going to come straight across on this side. And then same thing over here, straight across on this side. Good. And let's draw a road coming to it. So our road's going to be a little bit bigger as it comes to us. Very nice. Well, that was fun. We drew a castle together. High five, Eli. Nice. All right, don't forget to subscribe. See you later.